David Licauco update. Yung very supportive nga ang Perez ni David sa pagrampa niya sa Bench Fashion Week. Yun, ito yung video. Isa sa mga inabangan dyan sa Bench Fashion Week 2026 is David Licauco. Yun, no? Yung gwapo ni David, oh. Yung kaya proud ng parents niya. Solid yung pagrampa ni David, oh. Sa Bench Fashion Show. Okay, yun, nasa gitna pa nga si David. Katabi niya yung BFF niya, si Justin Yu. Yung core bench. Suppose si Sir Nathan, para kay David yan, no? Gwapo ni David, pang face card yan, yung look ni David. So ito yung interview kay David.
What is it gonna, how it's feeling that you're walking in the hottest, the sexiest runway in the country?
Well, happy, grateful. Siyempre, post night walk to bench. Starting here, practically for me. Anytime the bench needs me, I'll use it.
Wow, loyal with the bench family.
Paano yan?
Sample ko, David, no?
Pwede mamaya, pakiba naman.
May pasabog.
Thank you guys for supporting us.
A man of few words.
Love you, basta I love you.
Well, we love you back. They love, yes.
Ayan na. Enjoy.
Grabe na.
From the blue corner.
Siya nila.
David Royce, thank you guys so much.
Thank you,
Best of luck
guys.
later. See you.
Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for my update. This is Richard the Action Live. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.